Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about smoothie bowls, why they're exciting, the best time to use smoothie bowls, how to make a smoothie bowl, the best ingredients to use for a smoothie bowl, and the benefits of smoothie bowls. But before we start today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so you get my videos notifications immediately. We shall begin now. Smoothie bowls have taken the well-being and health world by storm, offering a delightful and outwardly engaging method for getting a charge out of natural products, nuts, and superfoods. Whether had as a breakfast or a snack, these dishes give a supplement-packed meal that energizes your body while pleasing your taste buds. Smoothie bowls carry a special wind to conventional smoothies by offering a thicker, spoonable consistency, finished off with different crunchy, velvety, and chewy ingredients. Unlike normal smoothies, which are sipped, smoothie bowls allow you to enjoy various textures and flavors in a single bite. Furthermore, smoothie bowls are highly customizable. You can mix and match ingredients based on personal preferences, dietary goals, or seasonal availability. Whether you lean towards a tropical mango blend, a rich chocolate banana base, or a refreshing green detox bowl, the possibilities are endless. Smoothie bowls can be enjoyed any time of the day, but they are especially popular as 1. A solid breakfast. A smoothie bowl makes a fantastic breakfast choice because it provides a balanced mix of fiber, healthy fats, and protein. The nutrients help keep you full, boost energy levels, and support digestion. It's a fabulous way to start the day with essential vitamins and minerals. 2. A nutritious snack. If you need a midday energy booster or a post-workout recovery food, a smoothie bowl serves as an ideal snack. By adding protein-rich toppings like nuts, seeds, and Greek yogurt, you can make it a delicious and energizing treat without feeling too heavy. Making a smoothie bowl is simple, requiring just a few ingredients and a blender. Follow these steps for a tasty and creamy result. Stage 1. Pick a base. The key to a thick and creamy smoothie bowl is using frozen fruit. Some excellent base options include banana, which adds natural sweetness and a creamy texture. Mango, providing a tropical flavor and richness. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries for antioxidants. And avocado for a smooth, nutrient-rich base. Stage 2. Add a liquid. To blend the ingredients smoothly without making them too runny, use a small amount of liquid. Options include almond milk, which is dairy-free with a nutty flavor. Coconut milk for a tropical twist. Greek yogurt for added protein and creaminess. And oat milk for a slightly sweet and fiber-rich choice. Stage 3. Blend until smooth. Use a high-speed blender to blend the frozen fruit until smooth and thick. If needed, add more liquid gradually to reach the desired consistency. Stage 4. Choose toppings. Toppings make the smoothie bowl more exciting and nutritious. Here are some excellent choices. Granola, which adds crunch and fiber. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3s and fiber. Coconut chips, enhancing flavor and texture. Almonds or walnuts for healthy fats and protein. Dark chocolate shavings, adding a bit of indulgence. Fresh fruit slices for extra vitamins and color. And honey or peanut butter drizzle for sweetness and protein. Stage 5. Enjoy the smoothie bowl. Pour your smoothie mixture into a bowl, arrange your toppings beautifully, and eat with a spoon. For the best smoothie bowl, consider these nutrient-dense ingredients. Fresh fruit such as bananas, berries, mangoes, kiwis, and pineapples. Greens like spinach and kale for added vitamins and minerals. Protein sources like Greek yogurt, nut butters, and protein powder. Healthy fats from chia seeds, flax seeds, avocados, and coconut flakes. And superfoods like acai berries, spirulina cacao nibs, and matcha powder. High in nutrients. Smoothie bowls are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, supporting overall health and wellness. Supports digestion. The fiber from fruits, seeds, and nuts promotes good digestion and gut health. Boosts energy. A balanced smoothie bowl provides lasting energy, making it a great pre- or post-workout meal. Aids weight management. A nutrient-dense smoothie bowl can keep you full for longer, reducing cravings and supporting weight loss. Enhances skin health. Ingredients like berries, chia seeds, and avocado contain antioxidants and healthy fats that promote glowing skin. Smoothie bowls are an energizing, delicious, and nutritious way to enjoy a meal or snack. Whether you crave a fruity, chocolatey, or green detox version, they offer endless opportunities for customization. With their vibrant colors, health benefits, and great flavors, smoothie bowls make healthy eating a joy. Try making your own today and experience the delightful taste in every bite. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you people like this video. Share with others, like and comment. See you soon with another informative health topic. Until then, stay healthy.